How to turn on or turn off prioritize real-time data in intelligent Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. And here we go down and tap on prioritize real-time data. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on. Here it said, if you turn this on, then the phone will give network priority to games, video calls, and other tasks that are sensitive to lag. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.